Now, this call that you have made, before now, you've said a lot about Southeast political elite not caring about the release of Nnamdi Kanu. But we saw the other day, yesterday, Honorable Obi Agwaja, who raised the issue at the House of Representatives, and you know what the shout and speak that followed. Now, why do you think that it's been difficult for leaders in the Southeast to speak together in one voice for the release of Nnamdi Kanu?
I can speak to what I know. I cannot speak completely about the culture, but I know that the earliest, since Nnamdi Kanu was brought back to Nigeria, I've been somewhat involved with his lawyers, his legal team. I've attended several of his trials, and as a result, I have an understanding of the fact that there is a difference between what some of the Southeast political leaders are saying in public and what they do in private. On your channel, I granted an interview where I mentioned that I was involved when this regime of Tinubu came to power. Certain conversations relating to the release of Nnamdi Kanu, and they immediately shut it down, saying that if he came out, he would affect their chances of winning in Imo State. Elections were coming up at that time. So if you just oppose that against what then has become, today come to know, the resumption of the trial, the delays, you understand what I'm saying. It is based on my own knowledge of what I know to be, in some cases, clear sabotage of his release. But you can understand that a lot of the Southeast political leaders will find it difficult to align with someone who says, let's leave Nigeria, when, as a matter of fact...
It's interesting that you are making this call now, because some people have said, oh, he's not a Southeasterner and he's doing this, it speaks to one Nigeria. But what would happen if some of these individuals that you've called upon did not, join you? Would you still go on with the protest march in the spirit of one Nigeria?
The protest will go on with that they join or not. We just published the date of the protest. It is going to be October 20th at 7 a.m. Everybody, we will make announcements as to where people will converge in different parts of Abuja or anywhere they might find themselves, including people who might want to protest Nigerian embassies abroad. It is a broad decision, it's a broad declaration to achieve an aim. It has no political connotation.